Focus on, focus on.
Well, you can't keep moving it. I told you that.
How about that? Is it focused on me? There you go. Good morning, everyone. We're in the car right now, and we're actually here at the park. Oh, thank you for chiming in with the Chavezes, guys. And we're here at the park, and we're gonna have a nice little family walk. We haven't come to the park in a while. Well, JP comes more often because he's more fit than us, or me. And this is the first Saturday that in a long time that we're coming here as a family, so we're excited about that. I am. And you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go on our walk then. Yeah. Lily is quite excited. She's laughing and we're not even there yet. You excited, Lily? That's funny. So yeah, we're gonna go to this really awesome playground. It's all shaded and lovely. I'm excited. I'm curious to see how the audio is gonna be on this because it's kind of windy out here right now. Okay, there's the playground we're going to, and there's lots of kids, and I just see danger, but that's okay. Good morning, everybody. You know, I really wasn't in the greatest mood yesterday, and I wasn't really feeling vlogging yesterday. So I said, you know what, I'm kind of going to take a little time off. And I enjoyed the day with my family at the park. And we came home and I was super tired. And I worked a little bit on Lily's costume. I don't know, I wasn't in a great mood yesterday. But today I feel much better. We have things planned for today, and usually that puts me in a better mood. I don't know what it is. I just feel like when I don't have things planned and it's kind of boring, or a boring day, or it's just really low key, I feel like not as motivated to vlog. And I think I should probably work on that because I don't want it to affect my vlogs because I feel like I'm doing well.
That's paprika.
Is it?
Lily's watching Zootopia right now. So I'm sure you guys understand, and I will try harder to bring you guys the best content that I can. But I did need a little break yesterday. I was just in a funk. But today I feel much better. It's Sunday and we have something fun planned for the family, or for Liliana more. And after that we're just gonna do a regular Sunday, and I'm really excited. Without further ado, here is Liliana.
Look, Lily. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Tell everybody what you're gonna eat. No, look. You gotta look.
What are you gonna eat today for breakfast?
Tell them. Over here. Tell the camera. Okay.
She says, I don't want to be on camera right now.
What you gonna eat?
Liliana, what are we doing today? Are you gonna go see something fun?
Yeah.
Where are you going? What, baby? You're gonna see Grandpa Steve and Grandma Henry?
Yeah.
No, not today. Probably next weekend we'll go do that. Today we're gonna go see the pumpkins.
Pumpkin.
We're gonna go to the pumpkin patch. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Look, baby, this is where we're going.
I wanna see where we're going.
You know where we're going.
We have traditionally taken Lily to a pumpkin patch the first 2 years of her life. So she was like 4 months old. Yeah, no, she was like 3 months old actually. And we took her to the pumpkin patch, and let me tell you what happened. Oh my gosh. So we put her in the little bumbo seat at the base of the pumpkin pile, and there was a little boy. He had to be like 5 or 6, but he was big. He was like a big kid. And he was climbing on top of the pumpkins. And you know me, I'm like, oh, I was a little nervous. And then all of a sudden, here he comes tumbling down with what, how many, did he bring pumpkins with him? Or it was just him?
I don't think a pumpkin fell. One probably fell, but I was there to catch him.
Okay. Well,
Like I pushed the pumpkin and I kind of caught him.
JP was there with his camera taking pictures of her, and thankfully he was close because here comes the kid tumbling down, and he did bump her head a little bit, not too hard, but in my mind he like smashed her brains out. I was like, oh my god, and scooped down really quick and grabbed her, and she of course was crying hysterically, and she calmed down pretty quick, but that was one of the most terrifying things that happened because that kid was just like bulldozing down, and JP thankfully held the kid up, like from prevented him from actually falling on top of her, but he did wind up hitting her on the back of the head a little bit. But she was fine and everything was fine, and we all had fun, and it was great. Last year was great. We took really good pictures last year. Maybe I'll put a few right here in this little area.
Baby Liliana.
There's very nice pictures here. Let me move it aside. She didn't really get to do a lot of stuff because she was still kind of small. We didn't do the hayride. They had like moonwalks and all this kind of stuff, but we didn't do any of that just because we thought she was still a little too small. But this year, hopefully, she can participate if she wants to, and we'll ask her, and if she does, great.
No, I can't see.
Oh, good morning, Pumpkin. She's waiting patiently for her food. And Rain, too, is waiting for her food.
For her breakfast.
For her breakfast. Let's feed them. I know, you're a very hungry kitty. We need to get you some food today. I can't do this with my left hand. The struggles of vlogging. Only using one hand to do things. Ooh, Lily's looks delicious. I want some too. You're gonna what?
I'm not here.
You're not here?
No, I'm not here.
Oh, Emma is not here. No, she's not.
Where's Oscar?
Oh, hi, Peach. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, it's chilly out here. Say, excuse me, we're gonna feed you. Good morning, Peach. How are you?
How are you? How are you? What's that?
Huh?
What's that on the pink belly?
In her belly? What's in her belly? What?
Go.
It's gold. Peach has gotten bigger since last week. Do you see that? Look at that belly. Look at that belly.
Yeah, I'm gonna feed
You want to feed her?
Yeah. Right, just
Uh-oh.
one more. One more.
There you go.
Two.
So Peach is getting ready to pop any day now, I feel. I was feeling her tummy the other day and her kittens were kicking away. Liliana, come over here, please. Yeah, come over here, please. We'll get your slide later, okay? We're on our way to the old Christmas tree farm where they have pumpkins as well. Liliana is awake. Oh my gosh, she was just sleeping. And now she's awake because she can sense it. They have little cute barns. Look at that. It's pumpkin time. She's all tired.
Is on the left.
There's a lot of people here. Looks like a lot more than usual. And a long line to get in. That's okay. We're gonna have fun. I didn't do a lot of research, so I'm hoping this place does not take cash only, because we only have debit cards, right?
Right.
Are you excited? Look at all these pumpkins. Oh my goodness. The pumpkins are over there. Let's go. Let's go see, baby. Oh my goodness. Liliana. You want to sit down? Here, why don't you sit down on this one right here? We're waiting for the train. There's a lot of people. Are you ready for the train?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's been ready for the train. But there are a lot of people.
Yeah, the train's pretty big.
Yeah. It's alright. It is pretty big. It takes a lot of people. But there's a lot of people. Alright guys, we are done with the awesomeness of the pumpkin patch. Lily had an awesome time. And I am actually coming back from grocery shopping now. John Paul is waiting for me. Yeah, we actually didn't do much grocery shopping last week, so I had a lot more to do this time around. Had to get all of our toiletries and get necessary things for Lily to eat. Hello. So yeah, I got some great stuff. Thank you for unloading my groceries, sir. I appreciate you.
Go back though.
Why?
Huh?
Why do I need to go back?
Buy some eggnog.
Oh. I told him, I texted him and I was like, so they have eggnog here. And for those of y'all who know, JP is an eggnog like whore. When eggnog season comes, he is like, he usually will gain like 20 pounds. No joke. He gains like 20 pounds with eggnog. So I told him, no, he's already lost like 20 pounds. No, he's not gonna have any eggnog. No, hell no. And he was like, no, you're gonna go back to the store and buy me some eggnog. And I was like, nope.
Hey, man.
Hey, Dad, what you doing?
Throwing junk out.
Throwing oh, I can't say. This is a family show.
Yeah, right. Those are some mighty big feet you have there.
Those aren't mighty big feet. He's making fun of my awesome Converse. But they do make my feet look really big. But I love them, and I always get compliments when I wear them. But except for today, people were hating on me in Walmart today. I could feel it. They were like, I like her Converse. Liliana, what'd you get? A cheese? Can I see it? Show the camera what your cheese looks like.
Show the camera.
Show me.
Smile for the camera.
Yummy.
You like cheese?
Mm-hmm, yummy cheese.
Lily, can you share with Daddy? No?
Gah. Anyway, just got back from the store and I got some of these delicious apple cinnamon Cheerios, which I'm excited to try. I feel like I've had them before, but I can't remember. And then I got some of this body wash, and I got, oh, this stuff. Chewy Snack, which is I was telling JP about, which they're new. I've never tried them. This is a almonds and honey snack, which I brought these more for Lily to see if she likes them. Anyway, got some fajita meat, got some cheese, got some crackers, got some of this because we were completely out. Got my Dove, got this for work. La Benderita low carb. And then I found these coffee nut M&Ms, and I only got them because they're the winning flavor, and I'm really excited to try them. And then I got Peach this kitten chow because I read online that pregnant kitties should eat kitten food because it has all of these great things for the babies, and hopefully she'll like it. I'm hoping. Either way, that's all she has to eat, so. Okay, I'm gonna start putting this stuff up now. Okay, we're having our Sunday outside family time now. Whoa. Wow! Got Siler out here, Lily, JP, even Peach is over there hiding in the bushes.
Tyler, where's the cat?
She's just scared.
Where's the
Siler
cat?
keeps wanting to go smell her, and she's just like, what are you doing, Lily?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Ready and woo! I got my Halloween drink. I can't believe Halloween is already next week. That is just crazy to me. I have been working on Lily's costume, which I still am not gonna tell you guys. It's not until probably next week that I will reveal what I have been working on for her costume. But it's already so adorable. I think you guys are gonna love it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are making. If you are, hi.
I'm in my slide.
Playing your slide. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are making, if you are making a costume for your little ones. And I want to see, well, I don't know if you can show pictures, but I just want to know what people are making. That would be really awesome to know. Liliana. No. Stop. Stop. It's driving me crazy. She's gonna fall and bust her face.
I got her.
I know, but him.
I got her.
What if he runs faster than you and knocks her down before you get to her?
He wasn't going to. He's following me. So I leave it.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Boom.
Wow!
I'm a myself.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, here you go. Here you go. Ah! What did they get?
Tamales.
Just tamales?
Pork tamales.
Oh, and avocados.
Avocados, tortillas.
Oh, here they are. They got salsa. They got tamales. Well, can't really see it. Tortillas. Ooh, they're hot. Best place in Houston, seriously, the Alamo Tamale Company. Lily, you want some tamales for dinner? Well, come on. Come on, come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's telling me I have low battery. I need to hurry up and end this vlog. It's been a good weekend aside from Saturday, which I wasn't really feeling vlogging, and I hope you guys can understand, and I hope you guys don't unsubscribe because I'm not usually like that. It's just been pretty busy, and anyway, I don't want to make excuses. But if you guys stay tuned for next weekend, I am going to be doing a 3-day weekend Halloween special, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a little longer of a vlog, obviously, because it's going to have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday because it's Halloween, and I don't want to not vlog Halloween. Like, how can you not do that? So hopefully gonna try to get that vlog out still by Tuesday. If not, it will be out by Wednesday. And I just want to go ahead and include all the memories I can and all the fun stuff that we're going to be doing. So please stay tuned for that. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. Hit that like button if you like the vlog, and we'll see you guys next weekend. Bye-bye.